Yeah, good evening everyone. Is audio video okay? Let me know. Let me know if audio video okay or not. Check once audio video okay or not. I think this is the place where we stopped yesterday. Everyone, good evening everyone. Good evening. Hi Janardhan, good evening. So Janardhan, can we start? Janardhan, can we start? Is audio, am I audible? Janardhan, am I audible? Is everything okay? Let me know if something is wrong. Let me know if something is wrong. Is everything okay? Fine. Yeah, I think we can go then. We can go ahead. Yeah. Let me know what is the date today. What is the today's date? Let me know. Today's date, I think yesterday is 13, I think so. Today is 14. Yesterday 13. Today is 14. So yeah. And my request to everyone, if anyone is not taken subscription, because of Diwali offer, there is a 80% discount going on. Our goal is never money. Our goal is never money. Otherwise, who will give this 80%? 80% discount we are giving, so because my intention is many people should learn, many people should grow, many students of mine should go to IIT or MANG companies, FANG companies or MNC companies. My students all should settle down somehow in their life. That is my goal. Every possible manner I am helping, every possible manner. This is the code you can apply, 80% discount you will get. If you get small doubt also at anywhere, you can ping this, right? This is the WhatsApp number, you can ping us, we are going to help you. Okay, fine. Let's move to next story. So I'm starting now. So date is today 14. Let me write here 14 10 25. 14 10 25. Yeah, take care this main. I think one or two problems are there. Yeah, I'm just requesting everyone. Today's class is just started now. 14 10 25. Today's class is just started now. So within few minutes, I'm going to start asymptotic notation. Within few minutes, asymptotic notation I'm starting. So few problems are pending. Let me finish those also. Main, right? Main. Yeah, let me check here. While. So let me adjust here. Let me adjust here. While I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, inside j plus is equal to I. Next one, I is equal to I into 2. Initially j is 0. Initially j is 0. Some adjustment item. Some adjustment item. I is equal to 1, j is equal to 0. Right? While I less than or equal to n, j plus is equal to I. Right? I is equal to 2 into I. I is equal to 2 into I. End of this. Now my question to everyone. This program, what is the time complexity? Find out. One more, what will be the j value? Find j value. These two things I'm expecting from all of you. These two things I'm expecting from all of you. What is the time complexity of this program? What is the j value? These two things I'm expecting from all of you. Right? What is the time complexity? What will be the j value? I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 0. While I less than or equal to n, j plus is equal to I is equal to j into I. So I is equal to 2 into I. Right? This program, what is the time complexity? What is the j value? Please, can you go ahead? This is going to be very interesting problem. Let's see how many people are going to give. Let's see how many people are going to give this answer. Everyone try. Everyone try. Everyone try. Everyone have to try. I can give answer directly, but there is no use. Please try once. What is the time complexity of this program? What is the j value? There are two things here. There are two things here. What is the time complexity? What is the j value? Good evening. Good evening, Saurabh. Good evening, Janardhan. Good evening, right? Someone else from LinkedIn. So please take care, everyone. What will be the j value? What is the time complexity? These two things required. Please go ahead. I think everyone know I is right. I is equal to 2 into I. I is equal to 2 into I. I think everyone know time complexity log n. There is much to discuss about time complexity. So I is the one which is keep on doing. So see this one loop is based on I. I is equal to 2 into I. So log n base 2. Forget about -1 plus 1. Log n base 2. Now the next question is going to be what is the j value? Time complexity log n base 2 everyone know because always multiply by 2. So log n base 2. Always multiply by 2 log n base 2. Now let's see the j value. J value is going to be tricky. J value is going to be tricky. Initial j value if you observe 0. Okay. Next one 0 plus I. Initial I value is going to be 1. Initial I value 1. Next is going to be right 1 into 2 2. Next is going to be 2 into 2 2 square. Next is going to be 2 square into 2 2 cube. So I is keep on increasing. I is keep on right. So I is if you observe clearly I is keep on increasing. Every time you are adding I. Every time you are adding I. So it will continue until k times. Until k times. 2 power 1 until k times you are continuing. So it is approximately it's going to be 2 power 0 means 1, 2 power 1, 2 square and so on. Maybe you done k times. right? Let us assume that you done the k times. So 2 power k. That equal there, equal not there, don't think much. Equal there, equal not there, don't think much. If you want, you can remove equal also. Lastly, you can do +1, no objection at all. So let us assume that equal, I will stop. If less than, then only I will continue. If at all equal, I will stop. Equal, I will stop. Please be careful. So continued. So until 2 power k means k times. Why you stopped is n is equal to 2 power k. That is the reason you stopped. N became 2 power k. That is the reason you stop. After continuing k time, right? Then 2 power k becomes n. K times I repeated. K times I repeated. It became 2 power k. So n is equal to 2 power k. That is the reason I stopped. After repeating k time, then n is equal to 2 power k. I stopped it. -1 +1, you no need to think much. Now let's solve this. Let's solve this. Some people are asking, what is the k value? If n is equal to 2 power k value log n base 2 is equal to k. So because of always you are doing into 2, definitely it is a log n time. Definitely it is log n time. So I think k value log n, it became 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, and so on. 2 power log n. 2 power log n base 2. After repeating k times, it became 2 power k. But why I stopped is this is equal to n. N is equal to 2 power k, I stopped it. So you may say that, sir, you have to stop before, na? Right? You have to count before only. Because of it is became equal, you are not able to execute further. If you want, you can stop before also, no problem. N is equal to 2 power k becomes log n base 2, right? That is the reason I stopped. N is equal to 2 power k, I didn't went inside. N becomes 2 power k, right? I becomes 2 power k, it is a n, both are equal, that is the reason I stopped it. So before only I stopped. So k value becomes log n base 2, so it is going to be -1, log n base 2 -1. Anyhow, if you take k also, no problem. If you take k also, no problem. Be careful. You done k, then also no issue. Differ by only constant. But if I want to talk to be frank, if I want to talk, if I want to talk, it is actually k -1. K -1. Why? At the k I stopped. Means before k only I went inside. K I stopped. So until k -1 only I have to take k. That is the reason I done. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, and so on. 2 power log n -1. You may say that, sir, why that series came? Whenever you went inside that loop, first time when you went, j plus is equal to I. What is the initial I value? 1. So 1 will be added. When you went the second time, right, whatever j you have, j already 2 power 0, right, plus I. So 2 will be added. Next plus I, 2 square will be added. Continue. K time, it became 2 power k, right? Condition is fail. So before 2 power k, only executing. So I think these many times. I think if you observe clearly, the GP series. And the GP series, how many terms are there? 0 to log n -1. Totally log n terms are there. 0 to log n -1. Totally log n base 2 terms are there in the GP series. Log n base 2 terms are there. That is the GP series. What is the formula? Sum of n terms in the GP? A into R power n -1 by R -1. Sum of n terms in the GP series is the formula. A is 2 power 0, 1. What is the R value? If you see the GP series, second term by first term. R, third term by second term, which will goes to 2. 2 power. How many terms are there? Log n base 2 terms are there, -1 by R -1, 2 -1. So if anyone don't know, can you see this formula? If anyone don't know, can you see this formula? Everyone listen. A power log n base b is equal to this. This is the formula. N will come to A place, A will goes to N place. Log A base B. These two are equal. If anyone don't know this formula, please check. A power log n base B is equal to N power log A base B. Right? Be careful. So this will goes to 1 into. You know very well 2 power log n. 2 power log n. See, k value log n. So 2 power log n is n only. So it is actually n. Otherwise you can spare this. If you see this, n will come down, 2 will go up, log 2 base 2, which will become n. So it is a n minus 1 by 2 minus 1. So which is nothing but n minus 1, which is nothing but big O of n, which is nothing but big O of n. So value of j is n, big O of n. The actual answer is n minus 1, right? Which is approximately big O of n. Remember, big O can be used for anything. Value also you can use. Time also you can use. Anywhere you can use. Big O, omega, theta will give approximate values. They don't give exact values. They will give approximate values. Because it is the priori analysis. Approximate values it will give. So this program J value, n minus 1, asymptotically big O of n. You can write theta of n also, omega of n also. Time complexity, simply one loop. This loop is repeating log n base 2 time. Time complexity log n base 2, j value is going to be n. I hope everyone got it. Let's check. This is going to be very interesting. Let's see if anyone having any objections. Sir, I have some doubt. Let me know. I will help you. Everyone check this program, j value and time complexity. Let me know if any objection. Ready, sir, I have this objection. Ready, sir, I have this doubt. If you have doubt, let me know. Remember, there is no two loops here. There is no two loops. Two loops not there. There is no question of n square. There is no question of n square, remember. And one more thing. You may be saying that every time I am adding n, I am not adding every time n. First time I added 1. Second time I added 2. Next time I added 4. Next time I added 8. Some series going on. If you add that series, you will get approximately n minus 1. Sum of n terms in the GP, this is the formula. If anyone don't know, so please Google it out. Nowadays, most of the things you will get in the Google. But remember, 50% is right, 50% is wrong. If you do Google, if you do the Google, 50% is right will come, 50% is wrong will come. But preliminary things you can easily get, right? Sum of n terms in the GP, sum of n terms in the AP, and how to find out nth term in the AP, how to find out nth term in the GP, sum of n terms in the HP. So you can find out all small thing. Please clear it out by yourself. Don't depend on anyone. Small thing you should do. Without doing anything, how can you get the big companies? Little bit of hard work also, if you don't do from your side, how you get big companies? How you get the good rank? You have to do a lot of hard work from your side also. Please try to understand. Lot of hard work you have to do from your side also. I think this problem is most of the people clear. Let's go to next problem. Example. One more problem. I think a previous class, if you observe, 31 we done. It's 32. Example 32. Example 32. It is the example 33. It is the example 33. Yeah, yes, yeah, also. Example 33. Right? I'm doing now. This problem also let me clear. Yesterday, I think little bit pending this problem, so I want to do this. I done it. Now let's go to the example 33 also. Main example 33. Main for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus, go inside. Remember everyone here. Remember everyone here. N is prime number. n is prime number. Remember this. And the problem is mentioned, n is a prime number. If n modulo I not equal to 0, then while j is equal to 1, j less than or equal to n, j is equal to 2 into j, x is equal to y plus z. It's the end of the while loop. Next one, end of the if condition, end of the for loop, end of the total program. It's a problem. Can you check what will be the time complexity of this program? For I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. If n modulo I not equal to 0, n modulo I not equal to 0, right? So, yeah, equal to 0. Sorry for that. Equal to 0. Equal to 0. Then j is equal to 1, j less than or equal to n, right? J is equal to 2 into j, x is equal to y plus z. Yeah, can you continue this? It's going to be very interesting. I'm so excited to give answer for this problem. I'm so excited to give answer for this problem. Can you check what is the time complexity of this problem? Remember, CSE branch without using brain, it is going to be very difficult. CSE branch without using brain is going to be very difficult. Very difficult, I'm saying. Try everyone. Everyone try. What is the answer of this problem? Remember, there are two for loops are there. First for loop, sorry, there are two loops are there. First one for loop, second one is while loop. Inside for loop, there is a while loop. There are two loops are there, for loop and while loop. Inside for loop, there is a while loop. Inside for loop, there is a while loop. Inner loop, they are inner loops. Remember, they are inner loops. I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus, if n modulo I is equal to 0, right? Next one, j is equal to 1, j less than or equal to n, j is equal to 2 into j, x is equal to y plus z, right? So please go ahead. Try everyone. Everyone should try. So let me check once. Let me check once. If you observe clearly this problem, if you observe, first loop is okay. First loop is, I think, for loop n times. For loop is n time. I can understand. Remember, n is a prime number. When you say prime number, it is having only two factors. n modulo 1, right? N divide 1, right? Mod operator. Yeah? n modulo 1. N modulo 1 is 0. Next one more. N modulo n, right? N modulo n. It is also 0. So prime number having only two factors, 1 and itself. So this condition will be true. This condition will be true only 2 times. Means you will come inside only 2 times. So, yeah, right, I is equal to 1, you will come inside. I is equal to n also, you will come inside. 2 times only will come. Because the remaining time, it is not 0. Only 2 times you will come inside. So, first time, this loop will repeat log n time. Because of into 2. Second time, again, this loop will repeat log n times, 2 times. So, what I mean to say is, I is equal to 1, this loop is log n time. I is equal to 2, this loop is, I think, right, 1 time, means nothing. I is equal to 3, this loop is 1 time, and so on, and so on. I is equal to n, this loop is log n time. This loop is log n time. So, if you observe clearly, totally I going on n time. Out of n time, n minus 2 times 1 means constant. Constant means small work. Right? So, I is equal to 2, some small work. What is the small work? One comparison you done. That comparison may be failed, but you done one comparison. Some work you done. Some work you done, constant. So, n minus 2 times constant, right? 2 times log n. 2 times log n base 2. Now, if you observe clearly, forget about the constant, it became n plus log n. It became n plus log n, bigger one is n. So, the time complexity of this program is n. It's an excellent problem. Trust me, it is an excellent problem, not normal problem. It is a really excellent problem. It's a really excellent problem. I don't know how many people done it. You done or not, please verify. So, outer loop is n time, inner loop is a while loop, conditional while loop. Conditional means everyone cannot come inside. Those people who will satisfy this condition, those only can come. So, normally inner loop should multiply, no? True, but it is a conditional inner loop. Means inner loop is not going on every time. Inner loop is going on only 2 times. 1 time log n, 1 more time log n, remaining all the time you are unable to go inside loop, but you are checking some condition which will take constant. I is equal to 2 constant time, I is equal to 3 constant time, and so on. I is equal to n minus 1 constant time, but I is equal to n log n time. So, I is equal to 1 log n, I is equal to n also log n. Remaining all will be n minus 2, which is 1 time. So, n minus 2 into 1 plus 2 into log n, finally n plus log n, finally order of n. Let me know if anyone say that, sir, I have this doubt. If you have doubt, let me know. It's going to be very interesting problem. Yes, exactly, Janardhan. Saurabh, are you getting? Himanshu, are you getting? Saurabh, are you getting? Himanshu, are you getting? So let me know if you have any issues. Let me know. Any issues are there, let me know. Everyone check. In few more classes, in 2 more classes, if all the classes will be in the EPT. In 2 more classes, I think 2 more classes are left out. 2 more classes are left out. I think 8, 9, 2 more classes. Right? Afterwards, all the things will be there inside EPT. All the things will be there inside EPT. If anyone is not taken subscription, please take. I request everyone. If you are serious, please take it. If you are serious, please take it. Yeah, let's move to next one. I think this problem also you done. One more problem, which is going to be excellent problem. Let's see that also. Problem number 34. Problem number 34. Example 34. I think Diwali celebration started. Some idiots are started Diwali. I think beside my house, some idiots are started the Diwali. Some idiot kids are there. Some gootless started the Diwali celebrations. Already Diwali celebration started. Some gootless started the Diwali celebration. Beside my house, some gootless are there. Right? Those are started the Diwali celebration already. What can I do? जनार्दन मैं क्या करूं यार? So already they started. Arey, Diwali is there almost like 1 week. Now they started. Kids are kids. These goody, right? Bootless. Arey, Janardhan, you also like that when you are a kid. When you are a kid, you are also used to do this. When you are a kid, when you used to do play Diwali celebrations, testing the bombs. You also like that? You also tested? You also tested the bombs? When you are a kid, you are also bootleg kid? You are a normal kid or bootleg kid? Anyhow, that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Let's go ahead. That's okay. Let's go ahead. Kids are like that. Fine. Main. Let's do this problem also. Main. For I is equal to 1, I less than or someone is throwing on me. It is coming more sound. Someone is keeping bombs on me. Someone is throwing on me. Because of I scolded them, they thrown on me. Arey bhaiya, kid bhaiya, God is seeing from top. Kid bhaiya, try to understand. God is seeing from top. Because of I said the kid bootle is throwing bombs on me. Arey kid bhaiya, try to understand. I'm seriously teaching algo. Don't disturb me, bhaiya. This is going to be interesting problem. Yeah, this is also interesting problem. Yeah, can you try now? Everyone, can you try now? Please try, everyone. Don't sit idle. Don't sit idle. Sitting idle is a crime. At this age, you are sitting idle. It is a crime. Trust me. This age, you are sitting idle means it is a crime, bhaiya. It's a crime, bhaiya. This age, sitting idle is a crime. Everyone try. What is the time complexity of this problem? Don't sit idle. Don't sit idle. My request to everyone. Please try. What is the time complexity of this problem? Yeah, let me give answer. If you observe clearly, because of 3 inner loops are there, na? If you blindly multiply, problem will come. See, first loop is n time, okay? Second loop is n square time. That is also okay. Third loop is n cube time. That is also okay. There are 3 loops. 3 loops are there. One is n time, one is n squared, one is n cube. But remember, only one I is there. Only one I is there in time. In time, right? Remember, only one I is there. Total program contain only one I. Because multiple declarations are there. If anyone say, sir, there may be multiple declaration, yeah, I written also. One time only, right? One time only declaration there in time. In time is there. So let's see what is going on. See everyone observe. Everyone observe. One time only declaration there. Everyone observe. So first loop is started I is equal to 1. Okay. I less than or equal to n, condition true. I value 1. 1 less than or equal to n, condition is true. For every true, come inside. Come inside. Remember, inside loop is there. So inside for loop, you have to start from I. Inside, right? Inside loop is there. Inside, whenever condition is true, come inside. Inside, you have to start for loop from here. In Python also, in every language, same. Just remember, languages, syntax will differ. Languages, syntax will differ. Both will be similar. So I is equal to 1 again. So I is initially 1. Condition is true. Again, inside I is equal to 1. Okay. Again, you check the condition. 1 less than or equal to n. Condition is true. After every true, you have to go inside. Inside again, I is equal to 1. Okay. 1 less than or equal to n cube. That is also true. That is also true. After every true, you have to go inside. Okay. Then I plus plus, I value became 2. Then afterwards, right, this condition you will verify. Condition is true. It's going to be 2 less than or equal to n cube. Condition is true. So again, I think 2 becomes 3, 3 becomes 4, 4 becomes 5, and so on. Continue. It became n cube. It became n cube. N cube less than or equal to n cube. That condition also true. It will execute one more time. It became n cube plus 1. Right? Next one, n cube plus 1 is less than or equal to n cube. Is less than or equal to n cube. Condition fail. Whenever fail, condition is fail. You will go to previous loop. But previous also I only, I plus plus. It became n cube plus 2. Condition is fail. Condition is fail. Because of it is fail, it will go to previous. I think some net issue. Just give me 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. It is coming, going. It's coming, going. Just let's make 5G. I'm making 5G. I'm making 5G. Some small interruption will come. Please. Now maybe okay. Perfect. Perfect. Now see this. So I'm repeating once again. First time, see, whenever inner I loop is over, I value becomes n cube. Whenever inner I loop is over, I value becomes n cube. So n cube plus 1, inner loop is finished. Now I will go to previous, that I plus plus, it became n cube plus 2. Whenever n cube plus 2 condition is failed, I will go to next. So it became n cube plus 3. So what I mean to say is, try to understand. First, right, inner loop is n cube time will execute, n cube plus 1, inner loop will fail, right? Then I will go to the previous one. Because of I plus plus, it became n cube plus 2. Second loop also failed. Because of that one is failed, I will go to third one. Then again I plus plus, it became n cube plus 3. That condition also failed. So I will come outside. So what I mean to say is, actually first loop should execute n cube n time. Second loop should execute n square time. Third loop will execute n cube time. Because of same I value, all are using same I, there is some side effect. One person changing, other people will affect. So actually first loop is n time, second loop is n square, third loop is n. Their inner loops I have to multiply. Because of same I, there is some side effect. Whatever inner person is doing, outer person is affecting. So some people are asking, what is the effect, sir? The effect is, inner person is doing a lot of work, outer people are not doing any work, one time only. So first loop is one time, second loop is one time, third loop is n cube time. So the time complexity of this program, n cube into 1 into 1. Actually, first loop should be n time, second loop is n square, third loop is n cube. Whenever third loop is n cube, I value became very big. I value became very big. So first one, second one will fail. When I go back, first one, second one fail. So first loop, second loop, I is equal to 2 not working. Because I is equal to 2, they are unable to see. I is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. All will be seen by inner loop only. Inner loop made the I value very big. Whenever that I is coming outside, so first loop, second loop is fail. So n cube into 1, time complexity of this program, big O of n cube. Big O of n cube, time complexity of this program, big O of n cube. I hope everyone is comfortable. I hope everyone is comfortable. If you have any objection, you can ask me. Yeah, I hope, right? I think everyone, but time complexity of this program is n cube. Check properly. So then what happened is, whenever you try the second loop, whenever inner loop is over, when you go outer loop, but unfortunately outer loop I value already crossed. Condition is fail. Whenever inner loop is fail, outer loop you will go I plus. So already at the end of the inner loop, I value becomes already nq plus 1. When you go to outer loop, it became nq plus 2. nq plus 2 is less than or equal to n square fail. So second loop is fail. Then I will go to first loop I plus. It became nq plus 3. nq plus 3 less than or equal to n also fail. When you are going from right side, you don't see initialization. You will just see incrementation followed by condition checking. When you are coming from left side, you will see the initialization. From left side, initialization, condition checking. From right side, incrementation, condition checking. If you are coming loop left side onwards, initialization, condition checking. If you are going loop out right side onwards, right side, incrementation, condition checking. Incrementation, condition checking. So answer is going to be n cube. There may be some doubt. Let me know if you have doubt. I have some doubt. You ask me, I will help you. Try. Ask me, I will help. Let me know any issue. Small doubt also there, you can ask me. Can we move to next? Janardhan, Ashutosh, Himanshu, Saurabh, can we go to next? Right, perfect then. Right, we can move to the next one. We can move. I think we done approximately 34 problems. I think they are more than enough. We are done 34 problems, not 1, 2. Very nice problem. If anyone study properly all these things, they will get the time complexity so nicely. All the points I covered. One point also I didn't left. Now take the topic name, asymptotic notation. Asymptotic notation. Right? Please careful. I'm starting. Asymptotic notation. Asymptotic notation. is the topic name, asymptotic notation. Right, let's start. This is the new topic. If anyone having any issue in the previous problems, please take care. Small doubt also there, you can WhatsApp us. You can join, right? Our doubt solving group is there. You can join in our doubt solving group. You can ask your doubts. Little doubt also there. One small doubt also there. In our doubt solving group, you can join. You can ask your doubts. Sir, I have this doubt. I have that doubt. If you have doubt, you can ask me. I will help you. Asymptotic notation. Right? So that is the story which we are going to discuss. Approximately previously 35 problems I done. 35, not 1, 2, 35 problems I done. 1 or 2 doubts may be there. Some place you may not be comfortable. Right? Join, right? Just ping that particular one. Ping that WhatsApp number. We are going to add you in the group. Right? You can ask all your doubts. You can ask all your doubts. Right? Perfect. So I'm starting. Asymptotic notation. Asymptotic notation contain. First of all, before going to write asymptotic notation, let me write let f of n, comma g of n, and h of n, and h of n be let f of n, comma h of n, and let f of n, comma g of n, and h of n be 3 positive functions. On integers, remember, on integers. On integer functions. Let f of n, g of n, and h of n be 3 positive functions on integer. Means integer to integer mapping. Means don't take fractions. You want to say that. Let f of n, g of n, and h of n be 3 positive functions on integers. Integer to, when you say function mapping, so integer to integer mapping. Don't take fractions. You want to say that. So remember that. Right? Now we have 3 notation. Asymptotic notation contains 3 notations. Big O notation. Big O notation. Second one, omega notation. Three, theta notation. Big O notation, omega notation, theta notation, right? So asymptotic notation contains these 3 things. We are going to discuss in the asymptotic notation these 3 people, big O, omega, theta, right? So what exactly? So I'm going to explain. So remember this topic and previous topic, no relation. This topic, previous topic, no relation at all, right? And one more. If anyone not joined in the group, if you are not joined in the group, just WhatsApp us. We are going to add you in the group. Just WhatsApp us. We are going to add you in the group. If you are not joined in the group, so I request you, please join and ask doubts. So there is no meaning of studying. There is no meaning of preparing competitive exam, right? When you are getting doubts, you are keeping doubts inside your brain. Little doubt also there, you can post in the group. In the group, there are so many doubt solving people are there. Approximately 20 people, not 1 person, 2 person, 20 people. Anyone can give answer to you. Anyone can give answer to you. 20 people are available there. 20 people. So please careful. So let f of n, g of n, and h of n be 3 positive functions on integers. Right? These 3 things which we are going to discuss, big O, omega, theta notation. So let's see big O notation. First one is big O notation. Concentrate everyone, big O notation. Big O notation. Right? So be careful, big O notation. So I'm starting now, everyone concentrate. What is the big O notation? I'm going to explain. See, if you know big O, you know remaining also. Just concentrate big O. No relation with the previous things. F of n is f of n is equal to big O of g of n. F of n equal to big O of g of n. So this is normally way of right. You can write like this. You can write like this also. F of n is order of g of n. You can write like this also. Both are same. F of n equal to big O of g of n. Big O people normally will read order. F of n equal means is. F of n is order of g of n. F of n is order of g of n. Right? Equal means is. Right? Big O is going to be order of g of n. So I will say f of n is order of g of n. You can write like this. Both are same. Both are same. If and only. Right? I have two functions f of n and g of n. I want to say f of n is big O of g of n. If and only if f of n less than or equal to some c into g of n. For all n where n is greater than or equal to n0. F of n less than or equal to some c into g of n for all n where n is greater than or equal to n0, such that there exists two positive f of n is less than or equal to some c into g of n for all n where n is greater than or equal to n0, such that there exist two positive constants n0 which is greater than or equal to so let me check here. Let me check. N0 which is greater than 0 and C which is greater than or equal to let me check greater than 0. If you want, you can write here greater than or equal to 1 also. No problem. So this is the definition. Such that there exist two positive constants n0 greater than or equal to 1, c greater than 0. What is the meaning? I will explain. Just write definition. You may not get now. When I take some problems, you will get. What exactly meaning of this, you will get to know within few minutes. Just be comfortable with that. Just whatever I written, you write. Because this topic just this topic is just started now. You don't get now itself. Big O notation. F of n is big O of g of n or f of n is right. So this is the way of writing. This is the way of writing. This is the way of reading. This is the way of reading. People will read like this. This is the way of writing. F of n is big O of g of n. Right? So some people are asking, so I want to say like this. Then what I have to satisfy? You have to satisfy this. F of n less than or equal to some c into g of n for all n where n is greater than or equal to n0. Such that there exist two positive constants n0 which is greater than or equal to 1, c which is greater than 0. Okay. C which is greater than 0. So you may not get. And one more, it is if and only if means both the sides. See this one. If you want to say above, below should satisfy. If at all below satisfied, you can say above. It is both the side. If and only if. Above one, right? Above one, if you want to say, below should be satisfied. If below satisfied, you can say above. Right? Both the direction, it will work out. You may not be clear. I am very sure you are not clear with this. Just write one time. Within few minutes, some examples are there. I will clarify. Right? So, yeah, I think you are comfortable. First example. I think you are comfortable. See the first example. F of n equal to, first example, f of n is equal to, example 1, f of n is equal to n. Careful everyone. F of n is equal to n. G of n is equal to n plus 25. F of n is n, G of n is n plus 5. Understand, it's very easy, very easily you will get. F of n is n, G of n is n plus 5. Now observe. I want to prove from this, f of n is n, G of n is equal to n plus 25. I want to prove f of n is big O of G of n. I want to prove. So if you want to prove, you know very well, you have to do this. What is that one? F of n means n less than or equal to some c into G of n. G of n is n plus 25. So if you want to say left side one, you have to prove right side one. Then only, what is the meaning of right side one? N is less than or equal to some c into n plus 25. So means according to this big O definition, you have to prove that to this less than or equal to whichever their right side, you have to prove right side is bigger. You have to prove right side is bigger. To this less than or equal to operator, what the big O notation saying is comparing the assignment, comparing less than or equal to operator, left side, right will be bigger. That is the meaning of big O notation. See, assignment operator, for this assignment operator, comparing left, right, prove right bigger. That is the meaning of big O. To this right less than or equal to operator, prove right bigger. That is called big O. Some people are asking, sir, already left n, right n plus 25, already right bigger. What is the meaning of taking C? Already right bigger. You don't want to take C, so you can take C value as 1. When you don't want to take C value 1, you can take C. Where C greater than 0, you take anything. I can take 1 also. Whenever you want to say already right bigger, no use of C, then take C value 1. Some people are asking, sir, from which place this relation hold good, sir? Let me check. For all n, where n is greater than or equal to n0. N0 means starting n value. Can you help me now? If you see the starting n value, 1 onwards, I can check. Let me check 1. Right? If at all n0 is 1, let's see what happened. N0 is 1 if I take left 1, right 26. I think already big, right bigger. Suppose n0 value 2 if I take left 2, right is 27. So what I mean to say is this relation is working on, right, from n0 onwards, where n0 means starting n value. Starting n value 1 onwards working. Remember, n0 I took 1 means 1 onwards this relation hold good. For every n where n is greater than or equal to n0, n0 is 1. 1 onwards this relation hold good. So this relation is hold good for the constant, for the C. C is a constant, remember. For the constant C, which is 1, and n0 value, which is 1, from here onward, this relation is hold good. Then I can say, if you are able to prove it, means you can say left side. If I want to say between two people, right, big O notation is available, I have to prove right side is bigger. By taking two people help, constant and n0. So now I find out two people where I can make right side is bigger, so I can say big O notation is valid. So final conclusion, because of you are able to prove, then I can say f of n means n is equal to big O of g of n is n plus 25. That is true. Between two people, if you want to keep big O, you have to satisfy this condition. Yes, I satisfied, then I can say n is big O of n plus 25. So first problem done. I think some people got it. Maybe little doubt is there. In the next problem, you will get more clarity. Right? In the next problem, you will get more clarity. Let's see the comment section, how the people are going on. So yeah, people may be having some doubt also because it's the first problem. First problem I done. Whenever I do 3 or 4 problems, you will get full clarity. Remember from today onwards, big O means prove right bigger. Big O means prove right bigger. That's it. Big O is very simple. Prove right bigger. Sir, how can I prove right bigger? By taking C help. If you don't want C help, make the C value as 1. You don't want C help, make C value as 1. From which point onward this relation hold good? N0 onwards. Yeah, I think you will get that full clarity in the second problem. Let's do second problem. Let's do second problem. Example 2. Example 2. Let me check. Just wait. Yeah. See the second example. See the second example. F of n is equal to, careful, f of n is equal to n plus 10. G of n is equal to, f of n is equal to n plus 10. G of n is equal to n. F of n is n plus 10. G of n is n. Right? I want to prove f of n is big O of g of n. I want to prove it. So if you want to prove this condition, you have to satisfy. What is that? F of n means n plus 10, which is less than or equal to g of n means n. So remember some C into for all n, right? Where n is greater than or equal to n0. So remember, big O means I have to prove right bigger. Remember, left side is already n plus 10, right side is simply n. How can I prove right bigger? Left already n plus 10, right is simply n. How can you prove right bigger? That is the reason C help. If required, you can take C help. So everyone knows comparing n plus 10, comparing n plus n, comparing n plus 10, comparing n plus n, n plus n bigger. Everyone know comparing n plus 10, comparing n plus n, n plus n bigger. Maybe I have to take little water. Just give me 1 minute. Right. So left side if you see n plus 10, right side if you see n. So how can I make right side bigger? Left already bigger. How can I make right bigger? With the help of C you can make. How? See this one. Left n plus 10, right only n. You know n plus 10 and n plus n bigger. Right? So n plus n means 2n. You may say that, sir, how bigger? So comparing n, 10, comparing n and 10, n is bigger. So C value 2 you can take. Comparing n plus 10 and n plus n bigger. N plus n means 2n bigger. You can take C value 2, which is a constant. So left is n plus 10, right is n plus n. So right bigger. Some people are asking, sir, which n value? Start checking from 1 onwards, is it working or not? N value 1 onwards, start checking. Right? Initial n value is 1. 1 onward check. So if I keep n value 1, 1 plus 10 is 11. 1 plus 10 is 11 left side. If you see the right side, n value 1, 2 into 1 is only 2. So fail, 1 fail. So let's check 2. Left side is, right, n value 2. So 2 plus 10 is 12. Right side is n value 2. 2 into 2 is 4. So again fail. So n value, let's take the starting n value 3. 1 onwards, I have to check. I checked 1 fail, 2 fail, 3. So I think 3 plus 10, it is a 13. 3 plus 10, 13. But right side, if you see, 2 into 3, 6. It is increasing slowly, but still fail. So continue. Let us assume that I done 5. It is going to be n plus 5. 5 plus 10 is going to be, it is a 15. But if you see, right, so I think 2 into 5, 10. I think little closer. Let's take 8. Let us assume that 8. So n plus 8 is going to be 18. So it is going to be 2, right? 2 into 8 is 16. I think very close. If I take the 9, left side is 19, right side is 18. 9 also failed. I think if I take 10, left side is 10 plus 10, 20. Right side is 2 into 10, 20. I think 20. So I think n0, 10. 10 onwards working. 10 working means 10 onwards will work. 11 also will work, check. 12 also will work, check. So finally I got a conclusion. C value 2 you can take. N0 is starting n value is 10. Right? I think because of you are able to complete the definition successfully, then I can say n plus 10 is, right? Big O of n I can write. Finally, I can write left is n plus 10, right is n. Comparing n plus 10, n is bigger. Big O means right bigger. With the help of two people support, I proved right bigger. Big O means right bigger. With the help of two people support, not directly. Big O means right bigger. With the help of two people support. What is big O? Right bigger. How can you say right bigger? With the help of two people. Right? Are you getting? So big O, what is the big O? Right bigger. How can you say right bigger? With the help of two people support. That's it. That is the meaning of big O. I think you got little clarity. Some people are asking, sir, previously already right bigger. Why are you taking two people help? If you don't want to take any, right, no help required. C value 1 you say. N0 also, see, starting itself it is working. Whatever I kept starting, it is working. So what I want to say is, if already bigger, directly it will work. Suppose if it is not bigger, maybe you can check carefully. So it is working. Right? I think everyone got it. So I'm stopping now. 2 examples I done. In tomorrow's class, we will do more. In tomorrow's class, we will complete the asymptotic notation. So as I mentioned to you, so these are the things. As I mentioned to you yesterday, so if you like the EPT classes, you can refer to your friends. You like EPT classes, you can refer to your friend. You will get the referral amount of 50%. And one more thing is, right, if you are preparing for a 2027-28 GATE examination, you can go for the foundation course or regular course. Use this code, you will get the 80% discount. If you have small doubt also, WhatsApp us. Next one, right? Mock test is there. Next mock test is on 20 of this month. The next mock test is available. So, right, those people who are serious about 2026, don't miss it. These are the mock test 3 winners. Right, next one, right, 100% job guarantee course also there. If anyone looking for jobs, any one of your friends are looking for a job, they can join 100% job guide course. So they can WhatsApp us. We are going to help you. Our team is going to help you. Just just WhatsApp us. Job guarantee course is also there. Right, perfect. Next. These are our rankers. So Abhinav got all India rank 1, right? Avichel, 4th ranker, right? Prabhav Verma, 3rd ranker, Gulshan, 4th ranker in different years. Avichel got last year, Prabhav got before, Gulshan got before, Vineet got before him, right? Mithali got right previous years, right? So Mitesh, Piyush. So it's a combination of previous years and all, right? So last year people also there, previous year people also there. So many rankers are there, so many, not 1, 2, so many. So these are also. Next one, you can write free, right? Gate PYQs are free in our website. Please visit the exampreptool.com. You will find out the so many free resources. 6,000 plus verified questions are there, right? 10 tough questions are there, right? So if you see every day 20 questions, daily test format we are giving. Doubt solving also there 24/7. And 2026 people can join crash course or RIC course or test series. 2027 people regular course or foundation course you can join. These are the people who are placed in our placement courses, right? Like DSA course with system design, only DSA course, programming languages, full stack web development, full stack app development with DSA. Next one, job ready courses with DSA and full stack. So all the things are available. Visit our exam prep tool website. You will find out so many things. Yeah, in tomorrow's class, we will start the remaining portion of the asymptotic notation. Right? Thank you. See you in tomorrow's class. Asymptotic notation 2 problems item. At tomorrow's class, I think most probably this will be over. Tomorrow's class, most probably it will be over. Yeah, notes also available. Janardhan, notes is available already in the website. You can download. Janardhan, notes is already available, right? From our website, you can take. From our website, you can take. Just if you go inside the profile section, you can download. You can download from your profile section. All the paid people will get, right? Those people who are subscribed, all the subscribed people will get the notes also. Yes, the live class notes, you will get it. You will get the live class notes. Right? Fine. Perfect. Live class notes is already available. Please use it. Thank you. See you in the next class. Thanks everyone. Thank you.